Okay, I just grinded my outtake manifold spots because I found some leaks in some of it, and then over there, whoops, I have a manifold, did the same to those, and now I'm gonna put it back in. This is the intro I forgot to make, so I'm gonna put that in. Got some parts down there for the pan, and then we'll see what we gotta go from there. Cause I don't know. I do not know. I don't have much left. So, get the manifold back on, put the mismatched parts back down there, and actually even get the hood back on. And then we'll see what we are from there. Oh, and run over some things outside to push them down. Some little holes, I mean not really mounds, push down. Let's do that, I guess. Okay, got my new, which one I call it here? My new drainage plug for the tractor. And this is what I got. I believe it's the right size. I already took the other one off, still dripping a little bit. And yeah, the other one was just, didn't have its hex left or whatever. It was worn away. Like my, what is it? Oil filter drain plug that is totally rounded off now, officially totally rounded off. Trying to get off. But yeah, let's get this bad boy on here. Should actually put some oil around it first. Slides on there perfectly. Uh-oh, does it not have enough thread? Hold on, I'm gonna have to compare this to the other one. Crap. Hold on, I'm gonna go see if it has the right amount of thread. Bring it over. You better. Yeah, we can say it's a little bit longer. Fits perfectly though. Yeah, well, there's the old one and the new one. Not exactly the same size. I think it'll work still. I just can't believe that didn't go on very easily. I'll figure it out. Okay. The old oil plug is back in, but with the new seal on it. Oh, come on, focus. The new copper seal. I couldn't put the new one in. Well, I could, but the thing is, this one is too tall. It's too tall up here. It needs to be like about that size right there. Because if you can see right here, started forming it so it would overlap up here, and it was bending the middle. Here, I'll turn it so you can see. On the other side over there, the metal started bending. I don't know why, but it just started bending it. Once it got past, like, I don't know, like, it was maybe, if we get up, like, right there, and you could move this pin around, and I couldn't get it any tighter. It's like that far from getting to the top. I couldn't get any tighter. I don't know why. No idea why. Maybe the threads up there just suck, or it just ends. But yep, got the old one back in, but with the better seal. And I think that's it for work on the tractor right now, until I find out what I'm gonna do with the PTO. But next, there's some mounds outside I need to run over, like in front of our driveway and stuff, and other stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do that, and then that's gonna be an episode. And yeah, let's do it. Let's get at it. I'll be tomorrow morning. Let's do it.